Alright, so for this part of the video, it's basically just me yapping. So I'm just gonna speed this part up.
Guys.
To
So
just
today,
climbing
me and my mate Max gonna be fishing on the Hillies.
Also, here's just me grabbing our stuff for the gate so we can start fishing. Alright, so we've just got all our stuff in and now we're gonna go start fishing.
Just currently flicking around some Z-Man grubs. Forgot what size, but just currently flicking around some Z-Man grubs. Looks like there's a ton of yakkers down here, or a ton of yakkers down here, or baby whiting, I reckon. Yeah, the solid yakkers. I reckon I chuck some bread down. I'm gonna do that real quick, and I'll be back once I have some bread on. Alright, so I'm back with some bread on, still using the jig head, 1/12 jig head still using this because just so I can get it to sink down there. Just honestly, just dropping this down gets us micro pinkies, some micro tarwine. It's really fun. See it sinking down there. And now you honestly just wait and hope to get some bites, which I can see I'm getting. I think I might have just lost my bait to the little yakkers. Yeah, saw a little broom right here. Yeah. I reckon it's pinky, it's running under.
What?
It's pinky, I reckon. It's running under. It's tiny, bro. It's micro.
Oh, shit.
Yeah.
Oh, you gotta get a hold up.
Little micro.
No, you gotta get a hold up.
Solid, bro. That is solid. That could be live bait, but nah. Good number. I think he got hooked in the mouth. That is a solid little fish. He had a good fight for that size.
Right, he's fucking...
Max is on. That's actually decent size. I feel pinky. Bring it up, bro. That's actually fucking decent.
Oh. Nipple drag, come on.
Oh, that's actually pretty big.
Oh, that's pretty big.
Get a nice hold up on that, bro. Max is on again. I think that's the exact same one, not gonna lie. Oh, no, that's bigger.
That's bigger. Oh, it might be same size.
Solid little tiny one. Run with it, bro. Come on. Eat it. Eat it. Yeah, it's gone. Oh, Max just lost a solid fish, bro. Right in front of us. Yeah. Micros be running, bro. It's like you running. Let's bring him up. Oh, Max is on. Double hook up, bro. Double hook up.
Holy my God.
Holy flaps, bro. Bro.
Oh, like 4K.
Double hook up, bro. That's actually pretty solid, bro. It's good pinky.
Is it? Oh, shit. Oh, shit, that's kind of good. That's like a good 35 centimeters.
35, you think? Yeah. Probably 35.
Maybe 40.
Yeah, probably PB 40 to be honest.
Yeah, that's his PB, guys. He's never caught something bigger.
My mullet was pushing 80.
No, it wasn't. It was really 80. Is that your PB, you know?
Solid pinky, brother. Max is on.
Don't lie to the camera.
Safety. There's fart in your head, bro. So, I've just tied my tailor rig on. I said do it really quick, it's not that good. It's got a small swivel on here. Tailor rig with Pitastris not going to the sinker at the bottom. I'm just going to be using some of these pilchards that someone's left over here, and I'll be back if we get some action. So, unfortunately with the tailor rig, my sinker came off first cast because it was not on very strongly, and it came off. And the pilchards aren't very good, so I'm probably going to just switch back to a lure, and we're probably going to fish the boat ramp soon. Alright, see you. Just chucked on this mid diver double clutch, I think. I'm not very sure. Just like chucking it in here. We might leave, go fish boat ramps, but for now I'm just swimming this. Yeah. Yes, bro. Alright guys, we're leaving the spot. I just chucked all our stuff through the hole back over there. Probably gonna go fish the boat ramps with some lures. See how that goes. So far a good day with some small pinkies, some small tie line. Fun to fight. Yeah.
Alright, so unfortunately Max had to go home, and we ended up ending the day here with a couple small pinkies and some small tie line, and that's it. Thanks for watching.